Hi, story time. The doorbell rang. That's the title of the book and is written by Hatchins. This is the front of the book. This is the back of the book. This is the spine that keeps the pages all together. And I'm gonna need your help as I read. Can you please say ding dong when I said and the door rang. The doorbell rang. I made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We are starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That is 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Tom and Hannon from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 children. That is 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. 4, 5, 6. That's a lot of kids. That is 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Oh my gosh. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 makes 12 altogether. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That is 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. Oh, I wonder who that is. And rang again. Ding dong. Should they open the door? Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at their cookies on their plates. Perhaps you better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice it is to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. Look, that many cookies. That looks delicious. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong. And that is the end of the story. Thank you.